This structure looks quite simple at first glance. It's just a circular hollow form. But in the actual manufacturing process, it cannot be printed in one piece. The reason is simple. It exceeds the build volume of the printer. So the real challenge starts from here. How to print such a large size parts on a smaller printer. From today's video, we want to share with you how to design the split structure to make a perfect large part. Let's have a look on the parts. First, the geometry is a circle, and also the bottom is unflat. So we need to consider the assembly line to ensure its tolerance and accuracy after the assembly. And the other thing is that this part is a head. The customer will wear it on head. If it's too heavy, it will be too tight after a long time. So we need to make the weight lighter. Many people think simulating is just simply cutting the model. Actually, it's not that simple. The real difficulty is how to assemble it again later, especially for this kind of circular structure. If the design is not good, it's very easy to have alignment problems. Sometimes the front parts match correctly, but the last part cannot close completely. So the first step is the cutting design. We split the whole structure into 6 parts, but the cutting here is not random. On every connection surface, we designed alignment tabs. The purpose is to make every part only fit into one correct position. If we only do a simple flat cut, it's very easy to have misalignment during the assembly. The second step is the numbering design. This step looks simple, but actually it's very important because now the model is already split into 6 similar but different parts. Without numbering, the assembly process can become very confusing, especially when there are more parts or when going into mass production. This step becomes very crucial. Next is the hollow structure design. Because this product finally needs to be worn on head, so reducing weight is something we must consider. But after making the hollow structure, another problem appears. During printing, a lot of support structures will be generated inside. We need to design process holes so on the structure in advance. This makes support removable much easier later and also doesn't affect the structure strength. After finishing all these designs, we can start printing.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
What you see now are the final 6 printed parts. Here you can see the alignment tabs, and here are the number marks. At the same time, all of them are hollow structures. Here comes the most important step, assembly. Number 2. 6, number 2. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. No, 4. Okay, number 3, number 4, number 4, okay, number 4, number 5, number 5, number 1, okay, so, should be like this, this, like this, yeah. Each part can easily align through the tab structures. During the assembly process, they naturally lock into the correct position. We successfully assembled these 6 parts into one complete structure. For large hollow 3D printed parts, Splitting is not just cutting. The really important thing is how to make sure it can still be accurately assembled back into a complete structure after manufacturing. We hope our customer will like this hat.